thick, harder tofu. That's most of the time, most of people, you know, practice the Buddhism. They eat the meat as a food, vegetarian food to eat. That's one kind of, I don't know how to make it. I think he did tell me, but I forgot. That is, in tofu, they have, you know, they have three different, so far I saw silken form, extra form. Extra form you use for the deep fry. Deep fry and then you take you to eat. And then you can use that thing for something else too. Another one is form that usually we use like in cooking soup, mashed soup. And silken I usually just eat for the, you know, you can make a soup with that too, but I usually eat with the ginger sugar syrup. That's not hard. I will show you how to do it, but I didn't buy the silken one yet today. That is not hard. You just steam the silken tofu and take it out, and then add the ginger sugar syrup on, and you eat. Yeah, this is last stuff made from the soybean. You can make I think yeah, you can. Another one is beancurd. I don't know how to make it, so I don't tell you. But you can buy that thing in the store. Yeah. So we cook the tofu with the pork, with the vegetable. That's how you will eat. Yep, that's for the today. And I look around in the store. They don't have in the store like Walmart and Publix for soybean. If I want, I have to go to Asian store to buy it. Asian store, they sell the product in USA there too, like soybean. Another one, what? Peanut. Yep, usually they carry that also in the USA. Yeah, that's all for I will tell you today. Let me show you. Let me try the soy milk for you to see. Yeah, usually they have these. Oops, I got spilled. Okay, I clean up later. Yeah, that's how it look like. Yeah, this one you don't need to add any sugar. Kind of little sweet, but not too sweet. Yep. Definitely, this is the smell of the soybean. Not too strong smell, but in the back of your throat you can smell as a soybean. Yep. Here, what you can get from here. This one kind of little different than from another one I show you. This one, the vitamin D is 30% and iron 8%, vitamin A 15%, folate is 4%, phosphorus 20%, calcium 25%, potassium 10%, riboflavin is 40%, vitamin B12, 50% magnesium is 10%. This is a serving per container. 1 cup of 240 milliliter, and here is how. That's all I want to show you today. Yeah, at first when you drink the soy milk, you probably, leave it. You see how your body interact with us, because sometimes you have. I drink it many times. I did drink this for a little, but not many. What a couple of times, but so my body has know how to, you know, interact with that already. So I drink this. Okay, but usually when you lack of vitamin B12, probably first you drink it make you sleepy. Probably, I don't know. It's a probably. Yeah, because there's a high level of vitamin B12. Did I say B12? Yeah, B12 is if you lack that, you drink it, it might be make you sleepy. I guess so. But when you got use that, and I think probably when you got enough to a certain level, you won't sleep. Like fall asleep after drink a cup of soy milk. But anyway, I suggest try a little bit first, and then see how it's work, and then you increase more and more. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. I will bundle these up and up there. Yep.